Hi, welcome along. In today's video we're going back to 1970 with a song by a band called Badfinger. This is called No Matter What, and I'm sure you're going to love this one. It's a nice, quite a simple song, but a few little bits and pieces in there that makes it a bit more interesting. Stick around. If you like today's video, don't forget to click like and subscribe, as it helps me grow the channel, which helps me bring you more guitar-based tutorials. So here we go. Go grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Right, no matter what, let's get straight into it. 2, 3, 4. Let me show you how that's done. So first off, the intro. It's in the key of A. The song's in the key of A. And what we're going to do with our first finger, we're going to hold down in the second fret, the D string, B string, D string, G string, B string, and E string. Right, so in a line like that. We're not going to get as far as the B string and the E string. What we're going to do, we're going to hold down like that. And we're going to, first off, we're going to play the A string, D string, and G string at a push, like this. This is the bit that goes. So that's the first rhythm I want you to get a hold of. So it's ba ba ba. So yeah, da da da. So then what we're going to do is, while doing that, we're going to slightly mute the strings. Just don't go crazy. Just stop the strings from ringing too madly, just to keep things in control. So then we're going to move on to the next bit, which is, so we've got the rhythm part, which was, and we're going to attach this next bit to it, which is down picking on the D string, and then what we're going to do, we're going to hammer on. So we're going to keep this bar in place. So we're going to be going from the second fret D string to a hammer on the 4th fret of the D string. Like that. Got it? And then we're going to down pick on the G string. So all together. So we attach that to the rhythm. We've got. Okay, so that's that. So the rhythm first. Make sure you've got that rhythm straight. Once you have, you add the hammer-on part to it. Second fret to the 4th fret of the D string, and then down pick on the G string. So there's the intro. Right, next. We're going to move on to the verse. So first off, we've got A. You can carry on with that, but just make sure you don't play the E string. Try and keep these bass notes prominent in the song, because that's pretty much what goes on. Then you go to a B minor. You've got a choice. You can do a bar chord. Bar chord's probably the best bet. I'll show you that up to the screen. But if you want to do the open B minor, feel free, but just bear in mind that you can only play D string, G string, B string, and E string. The top 2 strings are not to be played. Okay, so A first. So here we go. We're going to use a down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. A, B minor, then D, D, E. So D, D, E, D, E. So down, up, that's what I've been doing. Down, up, down, up, and then. What's going on here? We've got a little finger going on. When we're doing the A chord, we're putting a little finger every now and again on the 3rd fret of the B string. So you get... So let's go through that chord progression again. So we've got A, B minor, D, E, D, E, and then A. And E stop, 2, 3, 4, A. And then B minor. Then we got the bridge. Now the bridge starts off in a F sharp minor chord, and yeah, what we're going to do with the F sharp minor, that's a bar chord, which is like that. So let's just recap with you the F sharp minor. We're going to bar all 6 strings in the 2nd fret, and in the 4th fret on the A string we're going to use our 3rd finger, little finger on the 4th fret of the D string. It's got to give us this sound. So this is the bit where he sings about knock down the old grey wall, be a part of it all. So we've got F sharp minor to B. Now, F sharp minor, B. You can do your B like that if you want to, but again, like the B minor open chord I talked about earlier, you can only play 4 strings for that. Which is why a lot of people play the bar chord for that, because you get all 6. So let's go through the bridge. So we've got F sharp minor, then to B, E, then A, D, B minor, and then A. Remember I showed you that earlier? We've got that. That's definitely what happens there. So you've got a choice. You can go A, with these 3 fingers, and put your little finger in the 3rd fret of the B string, or you can do this where you slide your 3rd finger across to that position and then back again. So let's go through that bridge again. So we've got F sharp minor, B, okay, and then it goes back to the verse again. So let's go through the whole thing again, verse and bridge. Feel free to follow along with this. I'm going to stick the chords up on the screen, so you should be able to follow along. So here we go. First off, the chord of A. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, no matter what you A. B minor, D, 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 and then A, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4, A. B minor, D, 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 and then A, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2. Bridge, F sharp minor, B, E, A, D, B minor, A, little finger and then off. F sharp minor, B, E, A, and D, B minor, G, 2, 3, 4, 1. Back to verse and you know that. Okay, so that's how you play the part of no matter what, the verse and the bridge. Now I'm going to show you what you can do if you want to have a guitar solo inside of your chords. So you can keep your strumming going on while picking out a guitar solo inside of that. So you don't have to come away from that to do a guitar solo. So let me show you what we can do. So it's going to sound like this. Let me show what's going on there. So we're going to come down on our A chord, and then we're going to up pick on the B string, and then come off of it. So it's going to be like a hammer on. So it's going to be like a hammer on, which is going to be playing the B string open. And then down pick on the G string. The other two fingers of the A chord are still on. And then we're going to move to a B minor. We're going to come down on the B minor, making sure we get that bottom E, the high E. And then we're going to pick on the B string again. And with our first two fingers, we're going to go second finger, third fret, and first finger, second fret, and then open on the B string. So third fret, second fret, open. So we've got D, E. Then come down on your A chord as that bar, what we did in the intro, if you can remember. And then get the high A. Oh no, up there. With our little finger. So we've got No Matter What. So there we have it, No Matter What by the great Badfinger. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comments section below. Always great to hear from you. If you've got any song suggestions for songs you'd like me to show you how to play in a future video, again, please let me know down in the comments section below. Always lovely to hear from you, really is. If you liked today's video, please can you click like and subscribe for me, as it does help me grow the channel and bring you more guitar-based tutorials. And I've just started up Zoom lessons, one-to-one Zoom lessons, so you can be anywhere in the world as long as you've got a guitar, good internet connection, and speak the English language. We can do one-to-one Zoom lessons. For more information on that, get on over to danielberryguitartutor.com. and there's more details on my website. So until we meet again, take great care of yourselves. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.